Hi, what's up? How's it going? To that video, we are going to be designing, Jotter in CorelDraw X in CorelDraw 2021. So without further ado, let's step into it. So right now, what we're gonna be doing is to zoom down. So what we're gonna be doing right now is to go over and change the page to A5, which is normal size of Jotter. So let's go ahead and search for A5. So let's look at rectangle tool, double click, automatically snap into the page. So let's reduce this picture. We are going to make use of that. Likewise this. So right now what we're going to be doing is to move this up a little bit. Then let's make this bigger. So what we're going to be doing right now is to go over and create an object on top of this image. Mind you, this image was downloaded in freepik.com. Go to freepik.com and search for 3D background. Most definitely you're gonna find something like this. Tons of images, but most definitely you're gonna find something like this. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to go ahead and change this color. So what we're gonna be doing right now is to make this gold. Let's look at gold right from here. That is brown, so it has to be gold. So this is gold. So what we're going to be doing now is to look at what's it called, transparency tool. Then go over and change the merge mode to subtract. This is quite nice. So this is actually dark, so let's go ahead and just lighten the image itself. To select the image behind this object, you needed to select Alt, then select, automatically selected it right from behind. So let's go ahead to adjust and go ahead to tone curve. A dialog box pops up. So right now, right from here, we'll lighten it all up. Good. Can you see that? Mind you, it has to be a bit darker. That will bring out the effect of the Jotter. So right now you can see it. So let's select the two image. So convert to bitmap. So right from here, what we're gonna be doing is to choose RGB. It's okay. So wait till I finish up, then you go over to effect again. Look at search for adjust, then you hit on tone curve. A dialog box pops up. So right from you can see it. So let's pull this down a little bit to give it loud effects. Can you see that? It's okay. So right now what we're going to be doing is to zoom down. So what we are actually going to be doing right now is to go ahead, create an object just like so. Or better still, what we needed to do is to create another object on top of this, just like so. Then go ahead to your shape tool. Let's put Ctrl key on the keyboard, then you drag it in. Likewise this angle, drag it in. There you have this effect. Make a copy of that aside. So what we're gonna be doing now is to power clip this into place. For power clip, I think we needed to power clip, right? Drag that on top of that. So let me show you the easiest way to locate that. To power clip, go ahead to object, then power clip, then hit on place inside frame. Automatically an indication of an arrow shows up. Then you select the background in which you want to power clip this image into. Automatically power clipped. Can you see that? So let's adjust that downward, then reduce it a bit. I think that's nice. Good. A bit wider. Good. Position it all up. Good. A bit wider. Good. Nice one. Can you see that? So right now what we're going to be doing is to make a copy of this a particular object. So let's go ahead and reduce it a bit, center it all up, or shift key select the other one, then you release your mouse on your keyboard, then hit on C and E, automatically center up. So right now let's reduce it a bit. So what we're going to be doing is to make that white. Right click, automatically changes to white. Then let's widen it up a bit. Good, nice one. So what we're going to be doing is to hit F12, then let's make the thickness to be 5. It's okay, nice one. Can you see that? So let's select the outer one, so let's make the outline none, then let's go ahead and select both all of this together. So let's bring out the text at first, then you go ahead and select this, group it all up, Ctrl G. Before you go further, make a copy of that, then let's go ahead and select group, nice one. Let's power clip that into place, group, power clip, put out key, select and position it all up, nice one. Can you see that? Before we go further, we just have to let that be out, so we are going to create a magic right here. So what we're going to be doing is to position this, control page up, then we are going to power clip this into place. So let's go ahead and group all of that, then power clip that into, put out key, select that, then adjust to fit in. Good, nice one. This is quite nice. So good. So what we're going to be doing now is to create a lens flare behind these people so that we can see the effect of that. So let's go ahead to select ellipse tool, create a perfect a circle like this. So let's make that red, set the outline to none, then let's go ahead, copy forward, let's make this yellow, then go ahead, bring this all up, make this white. So right now what we're going to be doing is to zoom up, convert this to bitmap, convert this to bitmap as well, go ahead, convert this to bitmap. So after with that is done, select it individually, go ahead to bitmap, then locate go ahead to effect, locate what's it called, blur, then you locate Gaussian blur. So go ahead and adjust to suit your need, just like so. It's okay. Go ahead to the next one, convert to bitmap, effect, locate blur, then Gaussian blur. There you have the same effect right there. Likewise, a white object, go ahead to effect, locate blur, then you hit on Gaussian blur, automatically have same effect. So let's reduce the base, center it all up with the yellow a bit, reduce. Good, nice one. I think that's nice. Group it all up, Ctrl G, reduce it a bit, then center it all up with the red. There you have this effect. Group it all up. So let's go ahead and locate transparency tool, then right from here change the mode to screen. Good, this is nice one. So right now let's go ahead and make effect on that. So mind you, we're actually gonna work on this face, so let's go on to Photoshop because I have the picture right there. So what we're gonna be doing is to use your pen tool. So let's just select the head, because this is actually we definitely have to really adjust that so that we can have a perfect look of this couple. So we are playing around with the faces, yes, good, and the skin right here. So what we need to do is to go ahead and let's create feathering. So this has to be, let's make it 9, nice one. So let's go ahead and make an adjustment, go over to adjust and locate, select color. So right from here we are going to reduce the magenta, then go on to the yellow to make an increment on that. Can you see that is actually, so let's have the dark side a bit, so go ahead to the magenta a bit. I think this is nice, so let's go ahead, it's okay. So right from here, what we're gonna be doing is to go over to what's it called, levels. So let's adjust the beats. I think it's actually nice. It's okay, save. So let's go ahead to import that to CorelDraw. I think this is actually, sweet. Nice one. So let's go ahead and just, lighten it all up a bit. Go ahead to adjust, then hit on tone curve. So let's go ahead and without going any further, I think this is quite, nice. It's okay. So let's go ahead and delete this. So let's power clip this into place, power clip, then adjust, hold out key, select that, adjust it, so make it a bit wider. Nice one. This is actually, mind blowing. Adjust it a bit. Good. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to reduce it a bit, then position it all down. Good. So a bit downward. This is quite nice. So right now this image that we created, so all we need to do is to power clip this into place, power clip, good. Go ahead and select it, let it get behind the couple, make it wider a bit, make a copy inward, then set it all behind, then let's have a copy again, set up behind as well, control page down. So nice one. So make a copy of the lens flare, position it to the side, control page down. Good, nice one. This is quite nice. So let's make a copy of that. So let's go ahead and power clip all of this into place, Ctrl G, power clip that into place, position, hold out key, position it all up. Nice one. Good. So right now what we are going to do is to extract this particular one. Before we extract that, we just have to change this to a grayscale, convert to bitmap, so right from here let's choose grayscale. So right now what we're going to be doing is to go ahead, create an object on top of that, then let's sample gold color with the help of CorelDraw 2, sample right from here. Good. Point on the object, then you go ahead and select your what's it called, transparency tool, then change the merge mode to screen, and better still let's use subtract. It's quite nice. So let's go ahead, without key, select the image cell, then you go ahead and lighten it all up, tone curve, reset, then let's pull it all up so that we can see the effect of that. I think nice one. Good. So it's okay. So what we're gonna be doing is to convert to bitmap. So right now we're gonna use RGB. It's okay. So create an object on top of it again. So what we're gonna be doing next is to change this to this color point, then go ahead and lengthen it all up with the help of what's it called, transparency tool. Then right from here choose uniform transparency. Let's go ahead and make that a bit darker. So right from here let's choose make it darker a bit. This is quite good. It's okay. So right now what we're going to be doing is select both, then convert to bitmap. So right now let's choose RGB. Then let's go ahead and adjust to see effect come up. So it on tone curve, go ahead and make an adjustment reset. So go ahead, pull this all up, then pull this down so that we can see the effect. This is quite nice. It's okay. So what we're gonna be doing now is to power clip all of this into place. Let's power clip this at first, power clip, then hold out key, select that, then position that quite nice. Then go ahead, let's select convert object to outline, then power clip this into place as well. Then go ahead and set it behind the outline. Good. So what we're gonna be doing now is to really, so let's position this on top, then reduce a bit, then position it, just like so. Good, nice one. So what we are going to be doing now is to widen the pattern a bit. Then let's go ahead and hold Ctrl key, then round that all up. Likewise this, round this all up. Then let's go ahead and convert to curve. Then let's go ahead and pull this a bit downward. Good, nice one. So let's position this just like so. Good. So what we are going to do is to bring in the name of the couple. So let's go ahead and hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces, make a copy of this forward. So we are going to type celebration of love right from here, celebration of love. So let's reduce it a bit, go ahead and position it all up, then change the what's it called, let's use what's it called, this font. I think we needed to use a couple of fonts. This is nice. So go ahead to your shape tool, bolding it all up, then widen it up a bit. This is quite nice. So bring the name of the couple. So let's go ahead and have this to be change, make it white, Ctrl page up, hit save to save it. Good, nice one. There's this font that I want to use. I downloaded some font right here, so extract, that's done nice. Just have to wait for that. This is not nice. Let's go on for the empire. So let's change the font to empire, see the outcome of that. Empire. Zoom up. So go ahead and hit Ctrl K to break it all up, then position this downward a bit, likewise this. Widen it all up. Good. So let's bend this so that I can have a perfect outlook of this. So widen it up a bit. This is quite nice. Zoom down, let's see the outcome. Power clip that into place. Without key, position that just like so, reduce it a bit. Nice one, good. Nice one. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to just bring this down a bit, then change it to script fonts. Let's use Edward, or let's use a low Paris. Nice one, good. Set the outline to white, then position this downward a bit, likewise this a bit, good. Then position this a bit down, then bring this closer, good. Select bolts, position it all up without key, click once again with it. Nice one. So let's bring it down a bit. So mind you, what we're gonna be doing now is to make this a bit yellowish with the help of what's it called, interactive field to drag on that. So let's go ahead and make this yellow, but that's still golden yellow to make it look real matured. Nice one, good. So go ahead and to your shape tool, close the track in a bit, then go ahead and transfer that to appear properties. So there you have that. So what we needed to do now is to create a love symbol. Good. Create an object just like so. Set outline to white, to go ahead, right click, then convert to curve, then go ahead to your shape tool, double click on this, then right click on the line to curve, then pull that forward. Likewise this angle, pull this a bit upward, then pull this a bit upward, good. So duplicate that, then go ahead, select both, ready to all up. There you have this. So intersect it, then let's combine, Control L, then make it white. So let's reduce it a bit. This is quite nice. Click once, then rotate, then position it closer, then bring this down a bit, reduce it a bit. Nice one, good. It's quite nice. Reduce this, make a copy, then let's pull this somewhere around here, rotate it. Doesn't have to be the same thing, so reduce this a bit, then click, then rotate it, good. Nice one. This is quite nice. Zoom down. So what we're gonna be doing now is to have the dates and all of that. So right now let's have this to be let's use Trajan, or better still Empire. This is too complex. Bookman Antique would be nice, or Bodoni, good. So let's reduce, bring this closer, make it wider. So go ahead, make this all cap, good. So break it individually, break this individually, good. It's quite nice. So let's go ahead and position it all up. So what we needed to do is to give it left alignment or right alignment, make it wider a bit, hit Ctrl K to break it into the pieces, then move this a bit closer, likewise this a bit closer, then let's go ahead and reduce, good. So this is nice. So let's go ahead and pull it a bit backward. That's quite nice. So good. So let's create a line in between, good. So let's go ahead and make that hit F12, let's make it dotted line. So the outline will be 1 point. It's okay. This is quite nice, good. Can you see that? set the outline white, then let's reduce the bit, go center it all up, go on to the couple, ungroup all of that. So we have to make the couple a bit wider, reduce the bits, position it all up. Good. So let's copy the background, flip to the other side. So what we're going to be doing is to delete this, go on and delete the couple itself. Nice one. So let's bring up an object on top of it, just like so. Good. So we're gonna make that white, then set the outline to none, then let's have a copy of that in Word. So we are going to make that, gold. So what we're gonna be doing now is to make a copy of this image, then let's convert it to grayscale, convert to bitmap, then select grayscale, it's okay. So let's go on to effect, locate, adjust, then hit on tone curve, then let's go on reset, then let's go on and lighten it all up. Good, nice one. Put it down a little bit. Good, it's okay, it's quite nice. So let's power clip that into place. Before we power clip, I think this is actually too. So let's go ahead and lessen that all up with the above what's it called, transparency tool. Go ahead, use subtract. I think this is nice. Or let's use a screen. This is quite nice as well. So let's go ahead and power clip that. Good. Put out key, bring it, make it wider. Good. Make a copy of that, convert to bitmap. Let's use RGB, it's okay. Go ahead to your effect, locate adjust, then hit on levels. So right now let's bring that bit closer. Good, it's okay. Extract this. Good. So bring this in, it's quite nice. Good, nice one. So right now what we're gonna be doing, bring it down a bit, then let's type thanks for coming, thanks for coming. So what we're gonna be doing is to hit Ctrl K to break into the pieces, then let's make this a bit smaller, move this closer to each other, likewise this. Good, group it all up, Ctrl G, then let's make it gold, zoom down. I think black would be okay on this or this color. So outline to none, group it, Ctrl G, reduce it a bit, center it all up. Good. So we're gonna have to really group this, then let's apply shadow 2 to that. Good, nice one. So we're gonna have to really change the color of the shadow to darker. Good one, it's okay. So let's go on, break drop shadow apart, then position it all up. Good. So let's zoom up. So can you see the outcome of what we created so far? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. So I always say, my channel, see you in the next video. Bye for now.